Clean tech is a tough space right now because you've got great markets with problems that need to be solved. There's no question. A lot of problems have to be solved, but the solutions take time. I mean, if you think about how long it takes people to shift their driving habits to electric cars, or to shift to lower energy efficient light bulbs, or to actually change the type of gas they use, which has lower carbon content, it takes years. So the adoption rate takes a long, long time. And if you're an investor, you often don't have patience to wait years for people to change their habits. That's one of the biggest challenges clean tech faces. The technology is fantastic. We see more and more people coming into the clean tech space with a vision, a hope, a dream of doing something for the world. So that's a really positive thing. It's almost too crowded on the technology side. I mean, we see hundreds of ideas every month in the clean tech circle. But the problem is there's not enough capital coming in at the early stage to fund these ideas. There is capital later stage, so you get a lot of ideas, people coming in the space, but the technologies never make it past the laboratories because of the lack of early stage capital. That's the biggest problem they face today. Government is a two-edged sword, right? On the one hand, it's the worst selector of technology. If governments get involved in saying this technology must succeed, that's a big mistake. However, when governments come along and say we need to create a new market by pricing carbon, by requiring low carbon generation in various parts of the world, that's a perfect way for government to be involved. To not choose a technology, but choose the outcome and let the market decide the best way to get there. So too often governments decide they want to choose a technology. Corn-based ethanol was a good example. They tried to mandate electric vehicles in the 90s, that didn't work. Kind of need to let the market decide what the best solution is and set a goal for the market to get there. So when government thinks that way, it's perfect.